Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your door switch on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To access the machine, we must first remove the top panel. It's held on by 3 Phillips screws on the bottom lip here. Once you have these taken off, grab the little front slider and pull it in. Start to wiggle the top off and set it to the side. Now that we have the top panel removed, in order to go further in this dryer, we will have to remove the front here. Now, in order to do so, there's a couple screws that will have to be removed. There are 2 Phillips machine thread screws on the bottom. There are 2 at the top. Now, normally these are covered with this sticker. You'll have to use something, pop it off, and just kind of set it below. Remove the 2 Phillips screws. We'll go ahead and close the door. When removing the ones at the top, it is held on by these little clips here, but make sure you put your leg or something against the front when you're removing the 2 top screws. Now, next, to pull the front forward, it is clipped in. Use a tack puller or a flat blade screwdriver, go below, press up, and let it drop down. Inside, we have a door switch. Remove this Molex, followed by a Molex for your UI. Use something to press in on the locking tab, separate it, lift up on the front, and set it to the side. Now that we have taken off the front, I've propped it up so that we can have a good visual image of our door switch replacement here. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing your door switch is if it's saying that the door is open, or you may notice that this portion right here has actually been broken off. I find that very common out in the field. Now, in order to replace this switch, it has a locking tab over on the side. You will press in on it and start to push it in. On the other side, there is a piece of metal, so you will have to kind of push up whenever you're pushing it in. It may take a second or two. There we go. Cleared it. You'll bring it out to the side, swing it out, and set it to the side. When installing your new door switch, pretty simple. Just put it in, swing it in where your wiring harness is going toward the hinges over here. We will snap it in place. Now we can reinstall the front. When reinstalling the front, there are 2 lips on the very bottom that you will slide the front on. Once you get it in place, reinstall your door switch wiring, followed by your front wiring. Bring it in, clip it in. We will reinstall the 2 screws on the top. Now on the front, if you remember correctly, we have 2 regular Phillips on the front top. Followed by the 2 machine screws on the bottom. Close the door, and now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top, I always like to put my hand on the slider because the bottom is really sharp. We'll drop it in and line it up. You can only fit on one way. Grab the front and the back and make sure you apply pressure so that it is slipped in. There we go. Now we will reinstall the 3 screws on the back. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.